Okay guys, welcome to Dr. Lou's Low Carb Diet. I'm Dr. Lou. Now, today what we're looking at the top 5 sweeteners. So these are the top 5 sweeteners that are going to be conducive for a keto diet and healthy for you. Low carb, paleo, anything if you're going to be using it. If you use some sweeteners or chemicals, sweeteners in your diets, these are going to help you. Plus, some of them are natural and plant-based, being more conducive as well. Right guys, so what we're going to do is we're looking at the sweeteners. It's very important in the keto diet to make sure you understand which sweeteners are conducive for keto. Why is that? Because I'll tell you the top 3, that you can go to my video and see the top sweeteners that cause issues on keto diets or low carb diets. They are maltitol, sorbitol and xylitol. Now these 3 have seen to have certain issues, and research backs that up, but also at the same time they impact in giving you carbs. Now some of them are better than others for blood sugar. Maltitol impacts your blood sugar as well as both the other 2, but they're better than maltitol. Maltitol hits your blood sugar. Now the whole idea there is if you've got a sweetener like maltitol, that's going to really impact on your diet. So the big idea here is don't take those 3 when you're on a ketogenic diet or a low carb diet. That'll really help you anyway. And the good thing with that is they're sugar alcohols or polyols, and they're not natural. So that's how you can obviously say, well, I'm going to do a super healthy diet, and that's why you avoid them as well. Not just because they impact on your carbs, they will push you out of the diet. And when you're pushed out of a keto diet, it takes several days to get back into it if it's pushed you right out. So here we go. So what we're going to do is going to look at the top sweeteners, and we're starting off with number 1, stevia. So stevia, this is the best natural sweetener and probably the best over sweetener of all of ones that are processed. Now, what you can see here, this is perfect for a keto diet. It's 100% natural, 0 calories and 0 carbs. So it comes under perfect for keto. Natural plant extract, the stevia rebaudiana plant. Now, this is the whole idea. You're going to get it from the plant, and that's going to give you the benefits you need. As you know, it's natural. 0 calories, 0 carbs, does not raise blood sugar or insulin levels. That makes it perfect for keto and keeping you in keto. Okay, so keto friendly, perfect for maintaining ketosis and supporting fat loss. Excellent, extremely sweet. A little goes a long way, 200 to 300 times sweeter than sugar. So again, you need a little bit of it, that makes it perfect as well. It is a fantastic sweetener. It's perfect for coffees and drinks, desserts and baking, smoothies and shakes, breakfast foods. And so this really conducive. Why is it not used then if it's so good? Well, unfortunately it's very expensive for manufacturers, so they usually opt for cheaper alternatives. But stevia, the more we use it, the more it becomes cheaper. Again, always advocate stevia. Now, benefits of stevia: supports blood sugar control, may support heart health, antioxidant properties, no artificial chemicals, safe for daily use. So, did you know, there's a little did you know here guys, stevia has been used for centuries in South America and is now one of the most researched natural sweeteners in the world. So that's one big tick up there for stevia. All advocate stevia and choose products with stevia. Very useful. Now, the second one on here, so this second sweetener, again, we have one called monk fruit. Now, monk fruit, again, is 100% natural. It's 0 calories and 0 carbs. So this is ticking the keto box. Again, the perfect natural sweetener, ideal for keto. So natural and clean, derived from monk fruit, not sugar. Great taste, sweet, smooth and delicious taste. Heat stable, perfect for cooking, baking and beverages. Excellent. A little goes a long way, 150 to 250 times sweeter than sugar. So monk fruit there, another fantastic sweetener. So natural plant extract, 0 calories, 0 carbs, does not raise blood sugar or insulin, and keto friendly. Tick, 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 brilliant. Now, benefits from monk fruit: supports healthy blood sugar levels, may support weight management, rich in antioxidants, which they call here moghrosides. Okay, so rich in antioxidants, no artificial ingredients, safe for everyday use. Now, good for coffee and drinks, desserts and baking, smoothies and shakes, breakfast food. So, excellent there. Now, I've seen many of these also in keto bars. So, moving on, we can see here that the monk fruit versus sugar. So you can see a quick one there, 0 calories, 0 carbs, does not spike insulin, keto friendly, natural sweetness. And then sugar's all the opposite. So again, very conducive, really good for a keto diet. Now, moving on to number 3. Now, this is seen as the lovey of sugar alcohols, or the big, the star of sugar alcohols. Now, it's 0 carbs, it's 0 calories. That makes it really good for a sugar alcohol or polyol. Now, erythritol, the perfect keto sweetener. 0 calories, 0 net carbs, 100% keto friendly. Yes, it is seen as a good one, but I will highlight a 2023 piece of research that talked about certain cardiovascular events, and they found this erythritol in the blood of the people, and it seemed to have some problems with platelets in the blood. Now, that's a piece of research in 2023. You can go look at that up online. I'll probably cover it in a video soon to talk about that piece of research, because there are lots of issues with people who, have claimed certain issues with it. Even though it is probably seen as the best polyol and sugar alcohol, it is still used in sweeteners. So again, it's being used by most people on a keto diet. Now, it's too friendly, does not promote cavities, 0 impact on blood sugar. It's easy on digestion and natural, non-GMO. So good. So it's natural. There's no problems there. That's the good thing there from it. 0 calories, perfect for a keto and low carb lifestyles, no impact on insulin, does not affect blood sugar or ketone levels, excellent. Taste and bakes like sugar, that's a good thing, great for baking, cooking and everyday use. And cooling sensation, natural cooling taste, loved by many. So it gives a cooling feeling like in your mouth. So it is a bit strange. You might have, if you've ever had it in a product, you'll sometimes think, why is my mouth feeling a bit cool? It's more kind of like eucalyptus in the style. Well, that's the effect it can give you. So again, benefits of erythritol, 0 calories and 0 net carbs, no spike in blood sugar or insulin, keto, low carb and diabetic friendly, supports dental health, no GMO, naturally fermented, and safe for daily use. Again, perfect for coffees and drinks, desserts and baking, keto treats and snacks, smoothies and shakes, breakfast foods. So did you know erythritol is a natural sugar alcohol found in fruits and fermented foods? It provides sweetness without the calories of carbs, making it one of the best sweeteners for keto. That is true. When it comes up a lot better than the other sugar alcohols for 100% fact. Okay, guys. So moving on to number 4. Allulose. So allulose, the perfect sugar alternative. Again, 0 carbs, 0 calories. I used to look at this one, and because I can't find any research bad about this, I usually say this is better, looks better than erythritol. Now, natural rare sugar found in small amounts in nature. So it's a natural sugar in small amounts, but we can't absorb it. So sweet like sugar without the carbs, natural sweetener, 0 calories and 0 carbs, tastes just like sugar, perfect for baking, gentle on digestion, very important there, and keto friendly. So you can see that it's got lots of benefits as allulose, and again you can see it's perfect for coffees and teas, desserts and baking, keto recipes, smoothies and shakes, bakes, browns and caramelizes. That's excellent. That's a massive advantage over a lot of different of these sweeteners. 0 calories, 0 net carbs. So does not spike your blood sugar, minimal insulin response, supports weight management, antioxidant properties, tooth friendly, safe for daily use. So allulose measures and tastes like sugar. It's a 1:1 ratio. Perfect there as well. So here we go. Allulose versus sugar. 0 calories, 0 net carbs, does not spike blood sugar, minimal insulin response, keto friendly, tooth friendly, safe for daily use. And look at the other side of sugar, that's pretty much the opposite. So we can see obviously it's a lot better than normal sugar. It is a sugar, but again it's a lot healthier, and it looks like one to have over a lot of the others. So sucralose. Next one is sucralose. This is coming in, 0 calories, 0 net carbs. It's 0 calorie sweetener, the keto friendly choice, sweet taste, 0 calories, 0 carbs. Now, why is it seen like this? It's seen good, but it is still seen to have lots of other issues such as bloating or GI and other things like gastrointestinal problems, and obviously, diarrhea. So, benefits of sucralose: 0 calories, and it's good for 0 carbs. It does not spike blood sugar. You've got no impact on insulin response, so heat stable, great for cooking and baking, suitable for hot and cold beverages, convenient to use and easy to use, approved by safety authorities worldwide. So did you know sucralose is made by replacing sucralose is made by replacing 3 hydrogen oxygen groups in sugar with chlorine atoms. So very interesting there. Now, safety, recognized for safety by the FDA and the EFSA and many other health authorities. Use a little. Sucralose is much sweeter than sugar. A little goes a long way with sucralose. So check labels, products, the pure sucralose, and avoid those with fillers like maltodextrin. Avoid maltodextrin. Sweetness without the sugar, stay in ketosis. Excellent. So look at this, 0 calories, perfect for keto and low carb lifestyles. Again, 0 carb, does not affect blood sugar or insulin levels. Great taste, sweet like sugar without the calories, keto friendly, commonly used in keto products and drinks. It's nearly in every keto product I've seen, nearly every one. So 0 calories, 0 net carbs, does not spike blood sugar, no impact on insulin, keto friendly, safe when used as directed. So the main idea here is you've got everything that ticks the box. Sucralose seems very handy. I believe there is some research on it, but again, the biggest problem is it causes diarrhea, and it has to be used properly because it's so powerful. It's so sweet. So, okay guys, they're the top 5 sweeteners on keto and low carb diets. Please, if you like it, thumbs up and subscribe. Okay guys, I'll see you on the next one.